Hi babes, come let me show you how to make this yummy dessert cup. I promise you you're going to love this one. So welcome to my channel guys. So if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, to like, and don't forget to share my videos to your loved ones. Okay, let's get straight to the video of the day. So I made this dessert cup for one of my events months back, and guys, everyone loved it and the reviews was amazing. So I said to share with my people now. You know how we do it. Okay, so you'll be needing this topping cream. It's called Topping Royale. It's a cooking cream, so it can withstand heat. Then we need chocolate, chocolate bar. So I'm using Colata chocolate. So I'm gonna drop the ingredients and the measurements. So you just combine these two together and pop in into your microwave, and there you have it. Your chocolate mousse is ready, and this is one of the very best chocolate mousse because it's yummy and light. So refrigerate for an hour or two, not freezer. Just keep it refrigerated because the longer it stays in the fridge, it becomes thicker. So you don't want to freeze it up. All right, I went ahead to mix my cream that I'm going to use for layering. And mind you, you don't want it too thick, just soft pick because you're using it for layering. And then if you allow it to get too thick, because it's still going to get thicker while it's in the fridge, so you don't need it to be too thick. All right, so I went in with my mousse and I layered with my cream, and you can choose to add whatever fillings you want. But for the sake of this video, I just wanted to show you, like, give you an idea of how you're going to layer your dessert cup. Now this is best served chilled. Okay, so after your prep, after your layering, you can just pop it in the fridge until if it's for an event, you pop it. Maybe you do it a previous day, and the next day you just take it out to go to your event. So it's actually nice and it tastes very good. Your customers are going to like this. You can even sell, you can sell dessert. Yeah, you can even sell them. And I bet you people will keep coming back for more because the taste is just in between, not too sweet, yeah, not overly sugary at all. But you know that taste of dark chocolate. And then if you're a chocolate lover, guys, you're going to empty like 2 or 3 cups before you know that you've consumed so much calories. Yes, because it's that good. So I layer this one with um chocolate cake crumbs. You can add Oreo crumbs. Just do whatever works for you. But this is just me showing you like what you're going to give you an idea of what you should do. And you can add fillings. I don't know if I mentioned that. You can add fillings, caramel sauce, and whatever chocolate fillings you want to. But I feel that would be too much. And yeah, because I maybe if you have like chocolate chips, you can just put it in between for them to, have another have something to munch on when whilst they are, enjoying the dessert. Like waffles, like waffle cones and something like that, but not like too much fillings. It will become boring if it's too sweet. I pop them into the fridge for 2 or 3 hours, and here is what we have. Oh boy, I if you know me too well, you know that I'm on a weight loss journey because I eat the gym almost every day. But guys, don't let anybody know. I finished this cup because even the day I went on the event, I didn't have time to taste anything. But I just knew that people were raving for it. They wanted more, and but I didn't have time because I was doing so much. I didn't have time to even taste anything. But when I had a taste of this, then I knew when it hit my taste bud, I knew yes. I now understood why people were raving, like people wanted more and more and more. So guys, if you want to enjoy this, just follow the procedure. Make sure you're using cooking cream because that's where you're going to get that creamy chocolatey taste, not just normal whipped cream cake and whipped cream rather. So guys, thank you for watching. So when you try this, let me know and drop a comment. I'll see you in my next tutorial, guys. Bye for now.